If you want to crop out your media, then what you can do is you can go around and click on the media that you want to crop, and then you can right click, and then you need to go around under edit, and over here you can see crop is an option. If you had to go around and click right here, then what happens is that you get the cropping a dialog box right here. So you can go around and resize out the crop on however you like and drag it wherever you like right here. So over here you can work around with the rotation of the crop as well. So you can rotate it out a bit right here and place it, let's say for example, right around over here. Right now the crop is free. That means you can go around, pull it out however you want. But if you want to go around and fix out the aspect ratio, then you can go around onto the crop ratio right here and choose a perfect square or 16:9 and so forth from over here as well. And as you resize it, you cannot just go around and then resize it out freely as we did before. You can reset it out as well to get back to default. But let me just go around and resize this and then select out the crop ratio to be 16:9 right here, 16:9, resize it right here, keep it right around over here and change around the rotation over here just like this. So once that is done, I'm going to click on confirm, and this is the final result as you can see. So if I were to press the play button, then now you can see that this is the cropped video right here. It does lose quality, but as you crop, you do lose pixels. So that is how you can utilize the crop feature inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.